I'm planting a baby Catalpa tree. It's native to our Ohio region. It has these beautiful trumpet flowers in the spring that just smell amazing. And these beautiful heart-shaped leaves that give great shade during the summer. This is actually a rescue. Its mother tree was destroyed during a house demolition next door. And these were the seed pods I had gotten from the summer before. So its mother was destroyed during the house demolition, and these were already growing. So now they even have more special significance. So yeah, wanted to share our rescue, our baby Catalpa. We got a few of them, one over here. And I got one in a pot over there. A few babies. And I also planted a little maple tree. So yeah, we got a couple more babies to plant and gonna get a little happy family Catalpa tree going. Bye.